By now, you're well aware how much AI has been both a blessing and a nuisance on the internet, granting millions of people the ability to create things like never before, but at the same time, costing a lot more than you think you know. If you're like me, you probably use Spotify or other similar streaming services like SoundCloud, which openly use AI. But did you know that the platform is putting AI artists into their chill and jazz playlist and generating millions of streams? Or the fact that most music streaming services do not openly label AI generated artists, let alone AI music. I thought it was pretty interesting. But the good news is that with some minimal effort, you can make AI use into your playlist optional. So what we're gonna do is switch it over to the homie right here.
Hey guys, this is Jesus Lettuce Hernandez coming to you live from the same building. Alright, cool. You wanna make a playlist without AI? I got you, bro. Here we go. So, you wanna make a playlist without having to use AI? That's fine, there's no problem. Alright. First thing you wanna do though is obviously talk to people about the kind of music and stuff that you wanna make. So, for example, you want to talk about genres, you want to go on forums, you want to talk with people with their headphones on, blasting some kind of song that you're into, right? And if you don't know much about genres or essentially how music is categorized, this is the way. People know kind of what feel that they have, and they have that energy in order for you to make something. It's a connection. Like, for example, if you like gritty grime songs from a guy in the Netherlands, Nobody is perfect from Zep. Oh, you like electronic rally house? Okay, fine. You can go listen to Mean It by New Furry. Or if you want something that's a little more mellow and like R&B, some soul, then definitely listen to these guys from my hometown. Love Comes Easy by The Sacred Souls. And you didn't even have to ask, guys. For real. Alright, now it's gotta be time to put this on practice. So, go comment down below pretty much about the feel or what you want to emit with this playlist. And then go a little further. Talk to someone over in the comment section and mention about what kind of songs that you could pitch into their playlist. If you have something valuable to pitch in. You see, this is one way to get real recommendations from real people, as Digging the Greats puts it. Okay, now that you have the basis of pretty much the songs that you want to gather through word or by manual exploration, it's time to buy them. So this depends on the kind of medium that you want to make. So whether it be through MP3s, through CDs that I have right here, a cassette, vinyl, or if you really want, through like a niche streaming service, so stuff like Bandcamp or Cubuzz. Whatever kind of medium that you want to enjoy or even learn to enjoy. So although what kind of keeps people from doing that is it can get expensive. For what you pay for, really, it's to keep the music alive, to keep the artist alive, and that has multiple meanings. So personally, I like to support people through Bandcamp because I like downloading music and putting them onto CDs. But if anything, my iPhone is more like an iPod to me because I get to download music directly from the artist's homepage, help them support their work and all the things that they do. So by making the vote with your wallet, you have much more control with what you listen to compared to the services that Spotify or Apple or other people use on your feed. Now, alright, so here comes the tedious part, but it's often the most satisfying to pull off. Again, this is according to what mood or method you're trying to curate. So if you're like a person who likes transitions from one song to the next, you can do that right there. Or if you like to put your stuff in shuffle, boom, this is your time. This is right there. If you want to do something that gets pretty excited in the front and then like very mellow in the end, that's perfect as well. You can do that too. There's a lot of energy, a lot of effort that you can put into not only the cover art of the playlist, but also how your playlist is displayed, how the kind of mood is displayed throughout the beginning and the end. So add your songs with intention, add them with some sort of care. And if you want an example, this is pretty much what I did with my CD that I have right here. So I know you can't really see it, but this guy is split into two parts. So this guy has a very bright pop kind of era of music, whether it's through like pop or electronic. And then you made some low-key songs with steady tempos, with R&B, and some indie rock. And because of that, I got a lot of people to listen to this playlist, whether it be on digital or through CD. I made copies of these. So what I'm trying to get here is there have been ways in order for people to make playlists, to share music, and more importantly, connect with one another without AI. Although it can really help other people, it becomes detrimental not only to the person who you're trying to convey the message to, but also just the environment. I mean, it's a lot. But that's all I have for y'all, guys. Go ahead, smash that like button. Turn on post notifications for Totally Official. We love you guys. Have a great rest of your day.
Alright, y'all heard the man. You guys know what to do. This is Totally. That's it. See ya.